Now that we are familiar with the basics of JavaScript data types, let's get to know the typeof operator. The typeof returns the data type of a value. For example, let value equals 42, let result equals type of value, and let's add the result to watched and run the script, and the result is number. By now, you can probably guess what type will be returned for a specific value. So, try to guess as I type these. Type of Jane. This is a string. Type of 34.5. It's a number. Type of true. Boolean. Type of undefined is undefined. And type of null, it's an object. You might have expected type of null to return null. One of the caveats of JavaScript is that type of null is actually an object. We will get familiar with objects in future chapters of this tutorial. Now, let's also check the type of not a number. So let value equals not a number, and the type of not a number, it's a number. So this is kind of funny, but since not a number is a special number value, the type of not a number is number. To sum up, in this section we learned about basic JavaScript data types, also known as primitive data types, which are string, number, boolean, undefined, and null. So this sums up the first section of this tutorial. With this knowledge, we can move on to more advanced topics.